Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to DramaWave with Facebook. Signing into DramaWave with Facebook is super easy. First of all, open up the DramaWave application on your device. From the home page or the theater page of DramaWave, tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner. From the sign-in methods, tap on Sign in with Facebook. Click on Continue in the pop-up and then log in using your Facebook account's credential. Enter your Facebook email and password when prompted and grant DramaWave the necessary permission to access your Facebook account by tapping on Continue button. Soon after that, you will then be able to sign in with your Facebook account on DramaWave. Logging in with your Facebook account will grant you some rewards as well, and that's how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more DramaWave contents. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.